Hello, my great fans from Kenya, USA, and UK. Let me take this time to appreciate your great support you are offering towards my channel. It has been a week since my channel started being recommended by YouTube, and every day I'm receiving new viewers and new subscribers. That is a great achievement. The story how I started my channel. One day I will do a story on how I started my YouTube channel and up to where I've reached today. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel, and if you've not subscribed, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that every time I'm going to do any video, YouTube will automatically notify you. Na niseme asante sana kwa support yako. Ladies and gentlemen, Okia Omtata presented the case to court. He wanted to stop the financial bill not to be passed in National Assembly, but ipite katika Senate waijadili, iende bungeni waijadili pia, then wananchi pia wao wapewe chance ya kuparticipate, because ukiangalia katika hii financial bill ya 2023 ni kama inaumiza Mkenya vibaya sana. Though kwa wale ambao mmesoma hii financial bill, kuna vipengele fulani na support kwa hiyo financial bill, and that one is going to be my next analysis, so stay tuned. But there's something the president talked yesterday, and that's what I want to put it clear here, that the president yesterday said that he wants to do away with zile pikipiki ambazo zinatumia mafuta and introduce motorbikes that they are using electricity. Now my question is, how Kenyans are they going to receive these motorbikes and how expensive are they? Na hizi ambazo mahasara wako nazo watafanyia nini? On the other hand, mi nimeangalia kwamba this is another way of the government is trying to introduce so that they can get more tax from those going to buy those motorbikes, because it's a new machine that we're going to receive in our country, and it's going to be the first motorbike using electricity. Tumezoea hizi zingine za mafuta. So in the financial bill, we know that the fuel is going to go high by 16%. So akiangalia katika hii financial bill, kama mafuta inaenda kuongezeka, then it means ku-access or kununua pikipiki ya mafuta, it will be expensive. Hata kufuel pikipiki yenyewe itakuwa very expensive. That's why the government wants to do away the fuel motorbikes, ndio alete hizo za stima, ndio waweze kuumia zaidi. Juu hii pikipiki kikuja, there are those who are going to buy it on loans, and you know when you buy an item through loans, you have to pay more than what you were to buy in cash. So ladies and gentlemen, that's what I wanted to let you know and ask you the question, like this question. Do you think it's a right decision the government is making, or it's a way of introducing more taxes to Kenyans?